He's just being fussy in there. I think he's getting hungry. Ready, Luna? Pumpkin, you ready? Pumpkin. Oh, my baby Pumpkin is not ready. I've said this many times over the year. For over a year, actually. But she's truly on her last days here. I'm trying to contemplate between Thursday and Monday being our goodbye Pumpkin day. Is barely getting the pills down. She's barely eating. She's withered up. She's got no energy. She's not good. What are you doing, Luna? You looking after Pumpkin because you know she's sick? Been breaking my heart. Would have been right there in Pumpkin's face, looking on her, trying to get her to feel better. And my monkeys. Almost out of time, my monkey. So my dog Pumpkin died about 2:30 in the morning this morning. 8:26. I knew it was coming, but I didn't think it was going to be that fast. Actually, she was diagnosed with heart failure over a year ago, so I thought she was gone a long time ago, but I didn't think she'd go from being halfway fine to being dead within a matter of half a day, you know? So now Pumpkin is wrapped up in the shed in some blankets, and I'm getting ready to go outside and do her little burial funeral. Luna is out there by the back fence. My last dog, my younger dog. I'm not sure she knows that Pumpkin died yet. I know she knows that Pumpkin was very sick and was not doing good. My wife is oblivious. She's walking around out there with the baby, has no clue that Pumpkin is dead in the shed 20 feet away from her. And now, I'm making myself some coffee. And I'm gonna go do Pumpkin's funeral. Here's her little coffin I made her. I actually made that coffin, shoot, I don't know, six months ago, maybe longer, 9 months ago. Because like I said, she literally got diagnosed with heart failure and was on death row like over a year ago. So she kicked butt as far as longevity goes. Here to the right is Tuly, in 2018, June 15 to be exact. I had to do this exact same thing. And instead of Luna being next to me while I do it, Pumpkin was the one that was next to me while I was burying her. This is grueling. This is going to be a very heartbreaking day. But it had to happen. Right, Luna? I love you, Pumpkin. Wish I could have took better care of you, girl. I wish you didn't have to suffer for so long, you know? You're an absolute perfect dog. So like... Spunky Funk Munkin. My little nickname for my monkey. Born sometime in 2009 in Miami, Florida. Died today, 5/26/21. What's going on? Huh? What's going on? You know what's happened? 4 years ago, I had all 3 of these dogs. I had my oldest here, Panda Commanda. She died 2017, before we bought this house. 3 years ago, I had little Shoeshine here. She wasn't little, she was a big girl. She looked just like Luna here. And then Pumpkin. 3 years ago, I moved into the house. We had these 2 dogs. It was 4 of us in the family. It was Tuly and Pumpkin, the dogs, and me and Mama. Now Tuly and Pumpkin are gone, but there's still 4 of us in the family. Because Tuly was replaced, not really replaced, but she was sort of replaced by Luna. And then Pumpkin was replaced by our newborn baby, Romeo. So there's still 4 of us in the family. Pumpkin was the last of my original pets. She was the last of the ones that aren't new. Besides me and my mom, nobody else had been with us their entire time together, except for Pumpkin. Now everybody else in this house is new, besides me and Mama. I miss you, Shul. I miss you, Panga Kamanga. I miss you, Pumpkin. I miss him a lot. Alright, Luna does too. I think she's smart enough to know what's going on. I'm going to take her out for a walk right now, buy her a new collar, spoil the shit out of her. I don't care how much it costs. It's time to take care of my last baby. And I got to talk Mama into getting a new baby for Luna, a new playmate, new sibling. Mama doesn't want a new dog, but Luna's not going to be by herself for the rest of her life. She's only 3 and she's going to give me at least 10 more years. And she ain't going to do those 10 years by herself. Alright, let's go. I hear Mama calling.